Alrighty. Out here testing the OBS studio with the microphone for the first time. And we immediately got an invasion. Awesome. Let's see how she goes. Come on now. I'm using my faith build with the curved greatsword with the sacred blade on it and the lightning spells. There's my stats there. See if we can't find these guys. Maybe do a little buff up first. Oh, I see him. Paladin. Hold on, Paladin. We're coming. We'll be there in just a moment. Oh, mimicry, eh? Mimicry and Moonveil. Ouch. Holy crap, guys. I gotta get the heck out of here. Get some PvE to help me. They're hunting me down. They're smart though. They didn't follow me right into the lion's den. Come on, guys. You know you want to battle out here. Teabagging and stuff. Get out of here with that. Come on now with all that shenanigans. Come on. Night sorceries and such. And so we got your traditional mage, and then we got a Crucible Knight cosplay here, which I appreciate. I think the Crucible Knight's cool. Moonveil is a little annoying from the mage. Let's see if we can surprise these boys with a little bit of lightning. Oh yeah! Got him! And that's a got him. Heck yeah. Alright, let's see how that turned out, boys.